Yes, full on, just point stop. It's yeah, the preference of your parents. You should consider and be aware of that. And sometimes a lot of that does have benefits, and we don't have time to get into it today, but cultures in Islam and customs, they bring an order to things. And many of us, because of maybe living in societies that were, or countries where we've kind of lost the customs of our people, we sometimes ignore that a lot of the Sharia is built upon a'raf and urf, the qa'idah of urf, which some of the scholars consider the fifth of all of fiqh. All of fiqh bases itself on 5 principles. One of them is the customs of society, and that is because of the normality that it brings. A lot of things that we shouldn't ask about, or the depth of all these questions, we just know right away because of how people have normalized a certain practice generation after generation. And so instead of actually grabbing this massive booklet of like a prenup and seeing this is what I want, this is what I don't want, all these different details, there is a culture in place that already sorts it out. It's only when you start to remove this culture from society that you start to have this need for this detailed conversation of what to do and what not to do. And so cultures are really important. Don't ignore it. But if you have some sort of like a preference for something else, that's fine. That's fine as well.